Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with common issues that happen, and as always, can't find a fix for them anywhere. So today we're going to be fixing the Lenovo 330S issue with the sound, where for some reason, and here are my specs right here. For some reason, I don't know if you like reinstall Windows or you do basically do anything. um, your sound on this device will start getting muffled, and it's so annoying. And I had been searching for an hour for a fix. Not even Lenovo themselves could, you know, respond in the forums. So I'm just gonna go straight to it because I don't believe in looping around for easy fixes. So here's what we're gonna do. I found that the way to fix this is literally just download this driver right here. Here's the link. I'll try to put that in the description. Um, Now it's end of development support, but that really doesn't mean anything. It fixes your sound. So you just want to download this driver, install it, and then reboot your system. And as you can see, this is for the 300 series, 500 series, and the V series. I have the 330S, and I've been having this issue since I don't know what I did. I think I reimaged my system. But you guys should be able to download this, run it, restart your system, and that should fix the issue. It did it for me after about an hour of headaches of trying to figure out this issue and go into Lenovo support forums and nothing. So there it is. Let me know how it works for you guys, and thank you for liking and commenting.